Yes, I'm still saying I am still on the phone. I am going to proceed to stay on the phone. It's just it looks a little funny because of the but now you can see you can see more of my screen via the stream. Now you can see stuff better because we got the like most Forsaken! Mr. Forsaken. Dying right now. I'm sick. Sorry, it's been a while. Also, you haven't I streamed the other day, Mr. Forsaken. Uh, you know what? Add as moderator. Same. You usually do. Your name's Blue now? My IRL name is Blue. Just like, not gonna lie. The color yeah, my IRL name is Blue. I'm not joking, my name is Blue. I'm not talking to you. My stream. My stream. I'm talking to the streaming people, not you. So you copied me. I have copyright. You know what I go ask? Hello. I spit my cereal? Why? I go ask. Oh, I'll freeze it over here, chat. And do see. Hi. Hello. Hello, Susan. Hi, Ed. I don't know. I think I'm mainly gonna talk about coding in the stream because I low-key don't know, but right now I'm just trying to work on this damn thing again. I currently right now I'm just trying. Ed, I want an N plushie. I want one. Drop me. N for Murder Jones. Okay. Yes, I am watching someone else stream right now. My bad. I'm exiting stream. But okay, now it's just me and all by my lonesome all over again. Other than someone else specifically here today. Um, today I'm gonna try, or at least attempt, to plug this in to my Arduino Uno. You know, this whole contraption. You know, this whole thing. I'm just gonna keep my screen pointing down for now and then. So right now, I work on these things I love this. That's a failed 3D print. I messed up. I need to clean my desk. There's more wires, more wires, more wires. Uh, I took apart a toy. It has a bunch of switches and cool startup mechanisms. And it's a bomb. No, I'm joking. Uh, this one's super cool. This is like one of the ignition switches for like all that cool stuff. You know, you insert key. Like just insert the dang key. Uh, Key goes this way, right, and then twist. Oh, it's just natural Arduino colors. Like that's not even anything suspicious. It's just Arduino Uno. But anyways, we shall get back to the main point of this. We're trying to figure out. Um, I have there's code running right now. It's hard to tell, but there's code running, and I'm right now just trying to figure out how to code this screen. Jada, you still with me? Uh, why is your camera there? Come on. Can't breathe. Sick. Sick. Ugh. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to freaking see if I can plug this back in. That's my main priority right now. Uh, Shoot. Come on, plug back in. Plug back in. Right now. Oh, I got it. More or less. Plug. Oh, I got a splinter, but I'm trying to retouch this thing. See? Okay. Let me. You shall see my face, Miss Jada. Uh, Sorry. I'm gonna have to hold two conversations up at once. Jada and Mr. Definitely Not Forsaken. Because Mr. Definitely Not Forsaken is a moderator on this specific platform. Uh, I am just mainly trying to figure out how to code with this screen so I can make a Protogen helmet. You've seen it, Jada. You've seen it. Um, but right now, uh, damn. So they just like they're not just denied. But uh, I don't have any of the. Who's Jada? Someone, someone I'm not gonna disclose information about. That's all you need to know. But anyways, but anyways, I'm trying to work with it. Hold up, hold up. There's this damn thing in my. Oh, come on, my table. This chisel is special to me. This was my first ever chisel. Right? May not seem like much, but it was really important to me. It's kind of what I started working with. Oh, you know what? You know what? No, we're gonna drop the coding for today, and instead, we're gonna work on something I've been wanting to work on. I'm gonna start 3D model. I'm gonna start 3D modeling. Today, we're gonna measure and 3D model a motor mount, and a placement feature for this thing. For this thing, because I want to make a saw like one of those like little miniature table saws so I could cut wood. Uh, I have the materials. Here, let me pull up my box of bits and doodads. Come on, I'm not gonna reach that one. I'm just gonna go over here. Open this one. Oh, come on. Yeah, listen. Wait. This thing, I made this thing ages ago. I bought it. It's kind of important to me. You know, it's one special to me. I used it quite a bit that day, but we're gonna use this. Make sure you can see everything down here. I'm gonna this motor. Oh, wait. How am I gonna do that? Does it fit onto there? Alright, well, we're gonna 3D model something for that. Money! I saw that, Jada. Trying to flex. I'm jealous. I know that. I know you have money, Jada. Alright. I'm gonna, uh, I'm gonna share my entire window. Hold up. No. No. But, okay, this is coding. This is C++ coding. We don't need that right now. Um, let's full screen this. Ah, okay. We're gonna open. uh, This is what I typically use for 3D modeling. I don't have any like big actual 3D modeling softwares, unfortunately. So I just have to make do with what I got. Um, 3D design, right? Yeah, we're talking 3D design, right? We're gonna go let it load. We're gonna have to name this all first, right? Amazing Jenkins, state T A table saw. See, that works, right? Uh, I've been reading a lot of comics lately. I know someone who likes horror. I know someone who likes horror. I'm not gonna name any names. I can't breathe. I need to blow my nose. Hold up. Hey, chicken. You're always the star of the stream. Get over here. Ugh, can't freaking breathe in the ones. But these things suck. I want better headphones, but or better mic. Oh no. Speaking of mics, okay. Remember that project I told you about? The one with coding the Arduino to interface with my TV, so I could say, "Hey Jarvis, do this and that." I need a microphone for that. So far, I've got nothing other than uh, well, nothing. I don't got a mic or speaker so far, but I do have the majority of the code down. Well, I'm still learning how to code in AI specifically to answer specific phrases. You'd have to do voice recording to make sure it understood you as well, you know? Basic stuff, you know. I'm totally not a nerd. I know. I know I am. But I love being called a nerd because that means that I'm smart and people actually acknowledge that. Anyways, we're gonna start by modeling the hold up. I'm gonna pull up a 200-degree piece of metal right now. Y'all see me burn myself with my fault. Um, hopefully I don't burn myself with a 500-degree piece of metal. This thing heats up. This baby heats up to around at the hottest it can get. I think it's 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. And then regular temperature is usually 500. So let's hope it doesn't heat all the way up, and let's hope it doesn't touch me. But this is what you would commonly use to melt wires, or let's say you broke a wire and you want it fixed. I got you, but it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg, and me maybe a finger. Um, where in the world is my stand? Uh, or is that bigger? Can never find it when I need it. Jeez, I hate opening that drawer. Jeez, God. I may or may not have spilt a bit of motor oil in that drawer. So now every time I open it, it's just a very strong and profuse smell of motor oil, and it's overwhelming. But anyways, 3D modeling. Right, we're gonna try to 3D model both this using a caliper, right? We don't need the caliper here. Or I'm gonna stop doing that. Instead of just share the specific screen tab. Let's see the tab now, right? Okay, yes. Do you take rocks as payment? I'll take rocks. Shiny rocks? Yeah, I'll take shiny rocks. I don't have a VR headset, so I'm talking shiny rocks as in cool looking rocks. But anyways, Jada, you still with me? Yay. Okay. Jada's with me. You're with me on this one. Okay. So first, stop it. First, we need to worry about modeling everything. Now, I have a fear this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna cut it, nor can we integrate it. So we're gonna throw that in the bin for later. Where is my I'll be right back. It also Alright, I'm back. We're gonna use this. So I'm gonna model everything around this. This is gonna be fun because I know for a fact I'm gonna fail. But, you know, try and try again type of thing. I don't wanna be cringy, but I'm gonna try to use a drill. I'm gonna grab my caliper. And I'm gonna start measuring. So that way when it's on its sideways, like this, we can attach the come on. Come on. Come on. This thing doesn't want to go in. Okay. Here it is. Okay. There it is. So like on its side. Next to- Other way. Other way. We could, have it laying on its side and kind of have the table as most as we can possible. Have it like a box around this specific region, but so it lays flat, like this. But it's kind of wonky when it's like this. So if we could build some sort of encasement for the specific head, then we would be able to, what should we call it? Do that. So I'm gonna try to 3D model it right now. Chicken. Do you take roasted chicken? I've been working on producing music. It's not going well, but I'm trying my best. Your bet? Your bed? Your bed? Anyways, so Jada, you still with me? Yeah? Yeah, your name. I'm gonna teach you all. I'm gonna teach you all how to 3D model. Oh wait, Jada, you can't see the tab, can you? I forgot to show you. I forgot to show you the tab. Right? This is what we're gonna be using. This is called Tinkercad. I use this for everything modeling. Everything. So far, let's model. We have to model a box. So we're gonna have to like IRL measure out how big we want it. So I want to say 100 by what? 100 by 80. Let's do that. Let's change the dimensions to 100. Oh man, and 80. Oh, I'm at 80. 80. Right now, height wise, we want it flush with the table. Right, we want to be flush with the table. So let's model the height. This thing has a little height adjuster, so you could like model it and it'll tell you how much. Uh, roughly 50. We'll do 50. Okay, 50 it is. We'll tweak the stuff later. Ta-da! This is our box. Now, it doesn't seem like much, but this will be the main source of everything. Right? Now, time to hollow it out. How thick do we want the walls to make sure this thing doesn't break on us? Let's just take every single measurement and, oh, wait, I'm smart. Copy, shift, if we hold shift, and then go down. and then we want to center it. So we'll do this. Hit center, and then oh no, that was not good. Okay, center. Move over to this tab right here, and it centers the two blocks. Now, if we hit this button again and hit center, centered. Okay, we're gonna want to combine group, right? Now, if we zoom into the box, you'll notice it's empty. Where's the or it says, oh, I forgot I turned it to, okay, undo, undo. There's two boxes, right? Two shapes. Awesome. Let's hide this one. This one. Forward in time one. Turn it into a hole. Then we'll show this block. That now if we zoom into it, it has an interior, right? Look, it has an inside to the box, right? Now, this is where things get fun. We're gonna take a cylinder, pop it down, and start measuring the width of this thing right here. Because we don't want it to brush up against it. Right? You with me still? You can turn that into a pizza box. Really, a pizza box? Are you hungry right now? Big back. Um, Jenna, you following along? Who votes we take a break we take a break for lunch or not lunch. Break. Breakfast. I'll leave, grab myself a cereal, and come back. Actually, no. No, okay. Actually, let's finish this up. I'll leave. First, we're this dang earpiece. I want better headphones or a better mic. Or both, preferably. Um, measures in at a total of 42. Let's just switch that to all dimensions and set 42. 42. Bam. And 42 as well. Right? Um, let's rotate that so it's facing upright. Let's the floor. Perfect. Now let's rotate it 90 degrees so we can protrude this. Let's center them by hitting the center button once more. We're gonna turn this to a hole and push it all the way through. Now, uh, how much off the floor is it gonna keep? No. Uh, shoot. Um, or with a flat out 10, so we're gonna lift this up 10. Uh-oh, that's not good. Um, let's just model this box slightly bigger. We'll scale it up to 55. Bam, combine. Look, now we have a hole into our box, right? Perfect little hole. Everything will fit in. We'll worry about everything else later. But for now, so far so good, right? Um, there's other cool stuff you could do with this specific software, like apply physics to it. Recently, I've been messing around with the physics engine. It lags my computer out, but we drop it, or we start simulation. How do we start the simulation? Oh, right here, this play button. I'm gonna stop wrong simulation. Set scene. Give it dynamic properties, and look, we can make it slide around if we hit it with stuff. Or we can throw stuff inside. Like, look, come on. Oh, oh, come on. I like messing around with the physics engine a little bit. But anyways, that's besides the point. The point is, we have physics, right? And I'm pretty sure if we search up MOT, I can't fucking spell Mo. Oh, hold up. BRB. Alright, noise is out of front. It's done. It's done. Look, I love 3D printers. They make cool stuff. Uh, remove this, kind of like a test thing. Now look, we have to wait for it to cool down a little, or else we could mess up the printer. Anyways, you're not into favorite food. Uh, pizza. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this thing. It's still attached to the build plate, as you can tell. I love this stuff. I'm running low on filament though, unfortunately. Uh, stuff cost some on the leg. Can I get it to move? Thank you. Yeah, and then we pop this out. Come on, pop out, pop out. Look at that. Everything pops out. This is my friend is a phone. Let's not break it. Phone holder. So look, this was printed on large scale and pops out and pops back in. Look at this thing. This thing's so cool, isn't it? Hey Jada, wouldn't you agree? This thing's cool. Jada? I could 3D print stuff. Unfortunately, I'm running low on filament. Like the last bits of my filament. I still have what? I want to say 250 grams left. Once I made a phone holder out of Legos. I did the same thing, okay? I like Legos. I like making phone holders. But 3D printers just do it infinitely better. Everything just folds out into place. And then once you're done, you just pop it back into its little folded up state. You can slide into your pocket or whatever. This is the largest size. There's a smaller size that is way smaller. But I printed out the largest size because I have someone who has a big phone. Right, but look. Brass knuckles. Hold on, I need my nose. Okay. I will not take questions about anything I can model or stuff. I will complete this model in stream. I hate the morning. Anyone else is if you're a morning person, please leave the chat now. Understand that you wake up invigorated for the day. Okay? I'm jealous. I admit it. Okay? Leave me alone. But yeah. This this is proof of fine engineering. Okay? Like the amount of time it must have taken to model, remodel, model again is insane. Because I've had my own iterations with 3D printing. I made a phone holder, right, for my mom. It was a gift a while ago. It took me 7 attempts, and each time I modified the file just a little bit. Eventually, I got it to where it was perfect. Hallelujah, right? But it took me a few attempts first. Imagine how many attempts it must have taken to make this one. And it all folds back into place, neatly and tucked. Which is pretty cool, in my opinion. Yeah. My mom doesn't know I'm my mom doesn't know I'm streaming, so I have to make sure we all don't hear. Or she don't hear this. My chicken is asleep standing up. Poor guy's tired. No, no, touch. I know, I know. Nice, be tired. I saw you sleeping. Yeah, go ahead. Hey, hey, give me my. He took my. He tried taking my headphones. The little thief. He saw. He he just tried stealing my headphones. This little bugger. Look, if I dangle him. Where's- What on earth? Gonna be charged to my headphones. Stop it! Come back! Stop it! Hey, 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 hey. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Body of a chicken, mind of a raccoon, Loki. I agree with you, Roman. He steals everything. Little fucking thief. Yesterday, he tried to steal my food. Anyways, back to 3D designing because we want to make cool stuff. I teach you all how to 3D design. I suck at it myself. That's because I put that much effort into it. Can't wait. Let's share the tab over here over to Jada's side and also shares the tab. He is back. He jumped on my keyboard. Hold up. Ah, no, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Give me my headphones. Give me my. Stop it. He's trying to take my headphones. I don't know why they're so important to him. Um, I can't spell motor, so I'm just gonna ignore that. We could add physics to this. Don't want to do that. What should we call it? Smart person would know what to do here, but I lucky forgot. All right. We're gonna box. Let's just say 2. No, 3. We're at 3 millimeters wide. 3. I don't know how it's possible, but where's my caliper go? Then how many diameter? Let's go with 46. Because 3D printing always minuses a bit. 36. 36. Y puedo hacer esto. And oh no. Let's keep moving it a little bit more. No. Okay, let's just move it one more. Thank you. Okay, scared them lights at me for a second. I'm gonna center it. Hold up. Let's hit the same center buttons. We're gonna hit center up top, bam, in the middle, bam, and in this middle, bam. Now, if we did this correctly and we group them together, making them a single piece, we should get ta-da, a hole. Now we're gonna gravitate this back down. This is about all I could do. We could go to. All right, I'm gonna share a different tab with you. Okay. Let's stop sharing. Stop sharing. I'm gonna open up 3D printing software. Can't breathe. Anyways, I'm opening 3D printing software right now. We're gonna open the 3D printing software right now. Okay, I'm gonna share with you the printing software I use. Where's the freaking tab? Shit. Oh no, cancel. Where is it? Okay. Um, let's open prepare. Oh shoot, hold up. Oh, I can't see it. Share the where on earth is this freaking what? Huh? What? Window? Is it a window? No. Oh, there it is. Share, and then uh, let's hit shoe so you could see. Share the All right. So this is the printing software I use for my Bamboo Lab A1. Unfortunately, I'm running out of. Hold up, I forgot to download model. So dumb. I'm so dumb. Oh man. Uh, we're gonna just try my best. Frick, can't breathe, can't breathe. Download STL. Downloaded. All right, we're gonna go to Bamboo Labs. Open up table saw. Ta-da. Now slice plate. I really hope it's loading. and delete please support generation. Okay. I don't know, but how much? Ooh, I can actually print it. Okay. Let's add supports. Let's go back to prepare and add supports. Support, enable support. Tree auto, slice plate. Now watch it do something. For the look.